something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. Take your space if you need a break.
Great.
Can I open this one first?
Hi, you over there?
No. I'm not good at opening. Can I shake it?
Yeah.
I like the anticipation more than actually receiving it.
Oh.
003, February 14. Okay. I'm gonna open it really little. Is this a joke?
It's not a joke.
Oh, it's a mandolin! Wow, 5 blade slicer. I only need 1 blade. This is for cutting 1 veggie. Is this what you got from Amazon? Oh my god, I like completely forgot I wanted this when I shook it. Okay, I don't need this anymore.
Okay. That's like the worst one out of all the others.
Wow, did you look at the reviews or you just bought whatever?
That's the best. This is Austria. This is like actually the good stuff, not the cheap Asian one.
Wait, how come it's not all metal? Like the green one.
The all metal one's not good. It'll rust.
I want that. Wow. I feel like they never give you an option. What the hell is this?
It's to hold it down and then you just slice it.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Happy birthday.
To me.
Okay. It's opening.
You should close your eyes, open it, and then look at it.
I'm scared. Are you sure I wanted this?
You close your eyes.
I'm scared.
Just fucking open it.
I can't breathe.
Turn around first. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. Now flip it over on the side this way. Okay. You're gonna open your eyes.
No, I want to open it.
You can't. You gotta open your eyes. You won't be able to do it. Just fucking open
It's
your eyes.
electronic.
It's not.
Electronic.
It's not. You gotta open the box. It's within that box.
This is more fun for me.
Can you open it? Open your eyes.
Okay. No.
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, I got it. It's electronic.
It's not.
It's kind of soft. This is more fun. I should do this. Ooh, it's textured.
Is it? Okay. Can you open your eyes now?
No, this is more fun.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my computer.
What color is this? I'm scared. What is this?
Just open your eyes.
What is this?
Open your eyes. If you don't know by now, you're just stupid.
I have no idea. Oh, it's headphones.
It's not.
Yeah. Yay! Oh.
Yeah, right?
Oh wow, I'm good.
It's the #1 noise canceling headphones, so Chojo can do whatever he wants.
Yay. Oh wow, thank you.
I use it too though.
Aww. Yay.
It's the #1 noise canceling
Wait.
headphone. You have to move your hair. No, it's noise canceling technology. Turn it off.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking.
Hi guys, it's my birthday today. I vlogged earlier today. I went to go eat dim sum with my family just because they had time this morning and I took off today. I just switched my outfit. I couldn't show you guys my outfit before, but it was like super simple. But yeah, this is really cute. This is my outfit. I have these leather pants from Princess Polly. This is from Princess Polly and this is from Boohoo. A few things I can change in because I'm gonna hang out with my best friend Trey and we're gonna like hang out and take pictures and get brunch. So I think it'll be really cute. So cute. This is the final outfit. This jacket is from Aritzia. Oh my god, look, I'm crazy bag lady. I also have a rose for Trey, and it says, "Will you be my Valentine?" So cute.
Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to.
Hi guys, so we're at while we were having so cute. It's super sunny. But yeah, I'm excited. Hi guys, we took some pictures. We're leaving the city now. We just had brunch earlier. It was really crowded and we couldn't get a pink couch. But it was still nice. Trey got me bubble tea. Thank you. It has lots of bubbles. Just how I like it.
If we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore.
Hi guys. Busy day today. I just got back. I changed. I'm wearing this sweater dress from Express. It's off the shoulder, but I'm wearing a jacket over it, so it looks like this. I'm gonna wear taller boots. I haven't decided which ones. And then Trey gave me all these candies. They're like the warheads because I kept eating her warheads. So yeah, and they come in this Hello Kitty Ziploc bag. So cute. Thank you, Trey, if you're watching this. It was so nice hanging out with my best friend. We rarely get to do that, but we were both off today. I took off during the day to hang out with her because she offered, and like, I'm gonna take her up on that. It was so much fun, even though it was so cold. I'm gonna see her in like 2 days though, so yeah. Oh, we have to go because we have dinner and there's a lot of traffic, so.
I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. I don't hear from you like I used to. From you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to. No, I don't anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. So call me back and tell me something new. She doesn't text me on the weekend. Don't wanna know what she's up to. Calm down. If I close my eyes and focus on my own mind for a while, then it doesn't matter. This love's all I remember. And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one you're missing. Oh, I'm the one. I always knew that we were different, but I never thought that we'd survive this distance. If I close my eyes and think about all of the times when we said, now that I found it, I just can't live without it.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday. It's like super early, or for me it's super early. But we're going out. Cody has a meeting and then an errand we're gonna do after. So I'm gonna come along and find a coffee shop and edit. So that's what we're doing today. That's what I'm vlogging today. I feel like on days that I don't vlog, that's usually what we're doing. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like super comfy clothes because this is just one of those days where you just gotta wear something comfy. So yeah, for those of you who are wondering, I got this new sweater, like hoodie, crew neck hoodie. I feel like that's wrong. Sweatshirt. Got this new sweatshirt. It's from Brandy Melville that are really similar to the Brandy ones, but they're from Boohoo. I'll link them down below. I love them so much. They're great. They're like the black version because I have the gray version, and then my puffer coat, which is also from Boohoo, and my backpack and my canvas bag because I'm bag lady today. Yeah.
And if it's only for the night, then that would be alright, yeah. And when you're laying there beside him, I hope you crack a smile and think he's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I don't know how much longer I can do this. I'm scared to death to lose you, but the truth is, when I'm alone at night and things ain't right, I need to hear you say it.
French time.
He's no competition. He's no competition when you're with him. His touch, his kiss, your name on his lips. He's no competition. I'm the one you're missing.
Look really good. Hey, no, back up.
You see what's dripping still?
You can poke it. I'm gonna text this first.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you
Action! Light the candles, light the candles.
Oh yeah, sure. Oh my
Happy birthday!
It's so beautiful. Where's it from?
Martha's Bakery.
Kevin's Bakery.
Can you make a wish? Oh, we gotta sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, pick it up.
Happy birthday to Carmen. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
I don't wanna like spit on it.
Alright, good.
Are those the ones that just don't go out?
No, they're supposed to go out.
Thank
you.
They spark back up.
Yeah, sure. Oh, thank you. Wait for it to spark. Wait for it a little bit.
I don't think it's
Oh, I got your phone. Oh, thank you.
Look how cute my cake. I gotta cut my cake. Am I just cutting cake for myself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cody, do you want? Oh, it's soft. Oh, where do I get a plate for a little
It's
plate?
from Levain's Bakery.
Oh wow. Actually, no, oh wait, I only have their cookies.
I'm gonna go on cake mix from. So.
Thank you. Oh, we have this.
Deal breaker.
Just one though.
Where do you take that from? Ken?
Oh, that may be a good choice.
Nah, I feel like JP knows it.
Why would he?
I know.
I'm
JP
struggling.
usually doesn't let it go.
He doesn't have anything to do.
Mmm.
Are you done?
Yeah. Yummy.
There's no door to your basement from here. They can't come in. Like you guys block it up crazy.
I like it.
Yeah?
But I'm not that hungry.
Okay, put it. You can put it back in the fridge.
Ooh.
You tried the flan?
No, I didn't.
How much is it?
I'm done.
The bus ticket is
The bus ticket.
Who knocks her down?
If you get a bus ticket, right? You pick up a bus ticket, and then you can save this. Let's shuffle this.
Because last time we bought my house.
Oh yeah! That was savage.
Okay. So basically,
Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get